Dear sir, your letter dated the 4th reached us this morning, full stop. Your instructions have been noted, but we are afraid that it will not be possible to make all the alterations contained in your memorandum and have the book ready by the end of this month, full stop. However, we fully recognize the desirability of having the publication completed at an early date, and we are requesting our printer to hasten the setting and printing as much as possible, full stop. Next para, the inscription will be placed after the title page, as you desire, full stop. Proofs of the last chapters will be forwarded to you within a few days, full stop. Next para, announcements will be published in next Saturday's papers to the effect that a new novel by a prominent writer will shortly appear, full stop. Please tell us if you would rather have us use your name in the announcement, full stop. Very truly yours,